you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Homemaking Heaven. It's Kristen here. I know that it has been quite a while. I think some months, probably 3, 4, maybe 5 months. We have had a very busy summer. If you guys are new, I am a stay-at-home mama to 3 boys, very spread out in age, 15, 11, and 5. They will all be returning to school. My youngest is going to kindergarten this year, so it's a big year for us. I love to do cleaning videos, just anything homemaking related here on YouTube, but we had a very busy summer. We took a very long extended road trip up to Canada. We went all the way into Toronto, Canada, and saw a lot of cool things. Like, I could talk about a lot of the stuff. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. We just got back from Jekyll Island, Georgia, and that was really cool. The boys love going down there for the beach. It's very quiet. I don't like, if you guys are not new, you know that I suffer with anxiety issues, and I just don't like being around people. And I'm also a little bit conservative when it comes to taking the boys out on the beach. I don't really want to see like teeny weeny bikini thongs and stuff with my teenage son. I know that's probably whatever, but I just don't like that. I just don't want to do that. So Jekyll is very family oriented. You have opportunity to spread out from everyone on the beach, and it's just a really quiet, we ride our bikes. Of course, there were some things we saw along the trails that were pretty scary, but I can get into that later as well if anybody's interested. But anyway, I'm trying to start this channel back off and just get back into the swing of things. I'm trying to give it another go. I've toyed around with starting another channel, wondering if this one has just been up for so many years. But we're going to see how it goes. And I have decided that, you know, a lot of things that I say and stuff, I just want to just try to be as authentic as I can. I don't really want to be scripted, and I don't want to be worrying about what I say, whether it offends and or doesn't offend or makes people like me versus not. I just want to be who I am. I'm 40 years old now. It's, you know, I think 40 people say is like a midlife crisis, but I personally think it's more of a realization. It's more of a realization of who you are, who you want to be, who you might not have become. And I think some people, you know, can struggle with that in different ways. I definitely know I have with certain things, but I just want to just be me, because that's the easiest thing you can do is just be yourself. So anyway, I am working very hard, just cleaning the house. I think in this video, I accidentally made JENSON'S bed twice because I filmed on 2 different days, I believe. But anyway, I'm just doing more of a quick clean. I made my bed. I'm doing the sink. And yeah, that's about all that's been going on. We are all doing well. And we're ready to start school. I have a lot of back to school things that I've been getting done. And so yeah, I hope you guys are well. How have you guys been? Please let me know down in the comments. I miss a lot of the people that I used to speak to. I've missed you guys, and I would love to catch up with you down in the comments. And if you're new, I would love for you to subscribe and join me here on just my life journey that I'm sharing here on YouTube. So anyway, all right, I'll let you guys get to the cleaning.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me
you guys like to fold your laundry? I find myself folding it, like I was about to say finding it, folding it all over the place. Sometimes I do it here and I'm watching a show. Other times I'm in my bedroom. Sometimes I'll split it up in the laundry room and then take it to each person's room. But I'm just curious. I've seen people where they just get real comfy on their bed and fold just a whole ton of laundry. I think I'm only 5'3". My bed's kind of tall. So climbing up on a made bed, like if I've made it for the day, I don't know. I can't do that for some reason. But I'm just curious what you guys do with yours.
Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah.
Are you guys ready to, if you have small children or children in general, school age, are you ready to send them back? I don't really know how to feel about it this year. I had a surprise baby when I was 35, and he is now 5, going to kindergarten, my little Jensen, or I like to call him Jen. And I don't know how to feel about it. This is the first time that I haven't jumped into getting a job. When my second son went to kindergarten, Asher, he will be going to middle school this year. So we've got 2 big changes this year. But when he went to kindergarten, I took a job at the school that he was at. But the older that I've gotten, as much as I know that I can be really good working like in the preschools or the school systems or whatever, I just don't really have the want or desire to really work with kids anymore. I don't know if that makes sense. I think after the 3rd baby, I don't know. So I'm trying to kind of put more consistency here and see where this takes me. And I'm also trying to look into places. My dream job, guys, would be to work for Tesla. So I've looked into different jobs there and things like that. But the one thing I think that holds me back from doing something like that is we've decided we really want to try to drive and do these like road trips and things like that, like with the Griswolds. And no, our road trip was better than the Griswolds. But we want to do that with our family over the next 3 years until our oldest son is going to be graduating in 3 years. And so I've just thought about, if I get like another type desk job or anywhere like that, I'm not going to have the vacation time. So I don't know. It's just kind of out there. I was just wondering if any of you guys have school-age kids and you still stay at home. I got cut off. My collie boy, Bentley, started barking. We had a delivery. But anyway, I'm just wondering how many of you guys have school-age kids, what your thoughts are on, getting a job versus being at home full-time and available to your kids. And anyway, that is going to be about it for today's video. I had to swap out the hangers here. Asher kept breaking the felt hangers. He's not quite tall enough to reach, and so I had to do that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's motivation. I hope it helped you today. When I started this channel, the first thing I always would tell people is I want you to come here and feel less lonely for the day, because whatever your circumstances, whether you stay at home with kids or you're just at home working from home, whatever, life can get lonely. So that is one thing I always wanted people to come here for, and just to feel, a positive energy when they left. So if you are new, again, I would love for you to join me. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And as always, much love. Bye.
Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel, 'cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been thinking about you and all the words that I'm gonna say the next time that I see your pretty face. 'Cause 'cause I can concentrate anytime you're beside